So quite a bit of value, here, but quite simply, hopefully for you guys, it does unlock a lot of productivity gains where you might have some roadblocks preventing you, doing things that you need to do. You can unlock that. If you have some specific, very bespoke needs to your organisation or projects, this will allow you to overcome any of those technological challenges. Let's have a bit of a look at some of these in action. This is the glass color one. What we've included is an external gradient slider. This is not a MicroStation slider. It's one that's available on the internet. As we move these colors around, we can pull the slider around and it readjusts every single panel based on that gradient slider. This one is adjusting the panels to be random colors between two sets of color numbers. Okay, so just creating color numbers. This one here is our title block, so we can change those revision numbers, play the script, goes back and updates the title block. This one here, as we move those vertexes around, those circles are situated at the bisector. They just relocate based on it looking at each and every segment vertice and placing a circle right at the bisector. So what you can do with these samples is look at these. You say, hey, I might not want circles. I might want columns. And you can replace those circles with columns or something like that. That's what a sample's there for you look at.